Physical termite shields installed during new home construction force termites to reveal their presence above grade where they can be detected. When building new homes, we recommend installing stainless steel termite shields at the top of the foundation as part of an integrated termite management plan because stainless steel resists corrosion and maintains a thin, rigid edge that exposes tunneling activity. Fit shields continuously at all foundation joints and around chimneys, porches, and exterior wall penetrations, so there are no hidden seams where termites can skirt detection. Overlap and fasten seams with stainless steel rivets and sealant made for metal to masonry contact. Where the shield meets flashing, use metal to metal contact or a compatible seal to prevent gaps and to direct any termite tubes outward onto visible surfaces rather than into concealed voids. Combine the physical shield with either a perimeter liquid barrier applied by a licensed applicator or a baiting system to provide both immediate detection and ongoing population control, because shields alone do not eliminate termite colonies. During rough framing and before cladding, inspect every penetration such as plumbing, electrical, and HVAC openings and apply collars or mastic to maintain continuity of the exposed edge. Finally, document the location and type of shield in the building file and schedule annual inspections focusing on the shield line so that future occupants and inspectors know where to look. Common issues include improperly fitted seams that allow bypass tunneling, which you can fix by reworking overlaps and adding stainless steel fasteners and sealant at joints. Another concern is penetrating flashings or service penetrations left unsealed, leading to concealed access. Address this by installing preformed collars or field-applied metal wraps and confirming continuity during the final walkthrough. A third frequent problem is using the wrong material such as galvanized sheet metal that corrodes and deforms, so specify marine-grade stainless steel and verify thickness and finish with your supplier to ensure the shield will remain sharp and visible for decades. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who do new home termite detailing and other structural work, and it helps contractors find projects that match their skills. We host a discussion community where builders, inspectors, and homeowners share field notes and practical tips about installing and inspecting termite shields.